Hi viewers, today I want to talk about the AERO Press. It's one of the most portable brewing equipments that one can use at any journey, either long distance journey or a trip or a picnic, anywhere that you want to go. Like you see, it's plastic, it's non-fragile like you see the other brewing equipments. So today I want to share with you one of my recipes that I use while brewing coffee using the AERO Press. But before we do that, what are the equipments that we need to brew our special cup out of the AERO Press? We need a grinder, like you see, it's a brew grinder. We need our brewista, a kettle that I use to boil my water. It measures the temperature, everything, I'll show you. Then we need our AERO Press. Like it says AERO, it means you can fly over with it, then press. Okay, then we need a mug, filter papers, a spoon to stir. I'm going to borrow this since I didn't come with the actual stir that we're supposed to use. Then I will need a weighing scale. So today I'm going to show you two different ways on how to brew coffee using the AERO Press. First will be the ordinary way. The second one will be the inverted way on how to brew coffee. So I'll begin with the ordinary way. So I'll start with boiling my water, raises to the temperature that I want. Then I'll look onto my manual that gives me the different grains on which to use. It has the V60 Chemix, AERO Press, and Siphon. So basically I'll use the 3N. It has the 3N, so I'll adjust it to 3, then N, to give me a perfect grind of the what? Of the AERO Press coffee that I need. Start grinding my coffee after adjusting. So basically with my recipe I use 15 grams of coffee, and add in 250 grams of hot water boiled at 95 degrees Celsius. After grinding the coffee and our water is ready for use, I'll get hold onto my AERO Press plunger. Open the bottom, we have this basket that helps me filter my coffee into the cup after the process. I'll get my filter paper, like you see, it's small in size, portable. Fix it into the basket. Tighten it into the AERO Press. Then preheat my pepper with hot water before I start the infusion process. After the preheat, pour off this water cup. Then start the process. Place it onto the weighing scale. Tally off the weight. This is the ordinary way of brewing coffee using the AERO Press, the fast ordinary way. So I'll weigh my coffee with 15 grams. Most of you use spoons, but basically right now I don't have a spoon to weigh the 15. So let me just pour into the AERO Press. Hold your AERO Press, distribute the coffee evenly. Okay, towel off the 15 grams of coffee. Hold your water and start the pour, start your time. I like brewing the AERO Press within 2 minutes, so I'll start my time. Immediately I'll start the pour. Till it raises to 4. Wow, 250 grams. So get hold on to your spoon, stir for 10 seconds. After, hold your plunger seal, fix it in, then pull up to stop the brewing process. Like you see, it has stopped, to allow the infusion to take place. So after the 30 seconds, we shall gently press. I think let me take this off. I might break the weighing scale. Let me do it from here. Gently press. And we've started brewing our coffee into the cup, like you see. Gently press. I have too much energy, but at least I try to reduce the energy while pressing. Gently press. Gently press. Sometimes I like looking at it I like looking at the coffee while it enters the cup. And once you hear the hiss sound, then you're almost finishing your brewing process. And here we're done. After I'll top up with some hot water. And that is enough. Then the most good thing with the AERO press, it doesn't take time to clean. Once you're done with brewing, just take off your filter basket. Then, if you like looking at your coffee cake, there we go. After, just drop it into your trash. Get your water clean. And we're good to go. Cleaning your equipment, just seal it off, make sure everything is proper. Then get to enjoy your cup.